WhatsApp continues to be the most popular messaging service. We use it regularly in our daily lives. It is a simple platform used by billions of people. WhatsApp keeps on adding new features to the app every month. We have all been in a situation where we wanted to read WhatsApp messages without opening the WhatsApp app. In other words, reading messages without changing our last scene or going online. All you need to do is use the WhatsApp widget on Android. Whenever you get a new message, it will be shown in the widget. You can then check messages without changing the last scene. To do so, long tap any empty space on your phone's home screen and tap Widgets. Scroll down and look for WhatsApp. Hold the widget that has messages in it and drag it to your home screen. If you have any new messages, those will be shown in the widget. You can add or remove this widget anytime. It's not necessary that you should have added this widget before you receive a new message. Even after you receive a message, you can create the widget to read messages. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.